If you're thinking about buying or selling a home in the Greater Toronto or Brampton area, then you must watch this video for all the latest market data to help you make the right decisions. Go ahead and drop me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think about the current real estate market trends in this area. Hey, it's Mohini Persaud here, and today I'm going to recap the market stats for the month of October and let you know what I think this may mean for you. Coming right up is the residential recap for the housing market in the Greater Toronto and Brampton area for the month of October. Home sales of 4,961 is a drop of 49.1% compared to last year's 9,743. The average selling price is $1.89 million compared to last year's $1.15 million. That's a decrease of about 5.7%. There were 10,390 homes this year compared to 11,749 in October of last. That's a decrease of 11.6%. The number of active listings this October is 13,023 compared to 7,748 last year. That's an increase of 68.1%. The sales to new listings ratio decreased to 35% compared to 83% last year. This year, the property days on the market was 33 compared to 18 from last year. That's an increase of 83.3%. The listing days on the market was 21 compared to 13 last year. That's an increase of 61.5%. Generally speaking, the numbers for the month of October mirrored those of the previous month, September. The Bank of Canada has continued the trend of hiking up the interest rates for the 6th consecutive time, with the last time on October 26th in the amount of 50 points. Despite the housing market's transition to a higher cost of borrowing environment, the average selling price in the Greater Toronto area has hovered around $1.1 million since late summer. GTA home sales continue to adjust on a month-to-month and annual basis for the month of October to substantially higher interest rates. New listings are down on a month-to-month and year-over-year basis as well. The persistent lack of inventory helps explain why the downward trend of home prices in the spring has flattened over the last 3 months. So what does all this mean for you? Analysts believe this is a temporary dip in the housing demand, and it shouldn't mask the housing shortages in the Greater Toronto and Brampton area. New listings are at or near historic lows. A moderate uptick in demand from current levels would result in a noticeable tightening in the resale housing market in short order. There's still a lot of short-term economic uncertainty. However, over the long or even medium term, the market will rebound. Our elected officials appear to be addressing some of the housing shortages in their decision making. This would directly impact housing affordability. Public policy initiatives like the recently introduced More Homes Built Faster Act by the province, as well as strong mayor provisions, will help to ensure affordability for new households. If you're a buyer or investor, it's a great time to buy, and you can take advantage of the new lower home prices. Consider strategies for securing a new lower mortgage rate. We've listed some of those in our latest blog post. Just below, we provided a link to a printable copy. Check out our 8 strategies for securing a lower mortgage rate. It's in the link below. If you already own a home and you're looking to upsize or downsize, the market may not affect you that much, because if you buy high, you're going to sell high. If you buy low, you're going to sell low. Therefore, it'll pretty much be a wash. If you're a seller, you'll need to have a little bit more patience and employ the best tactics to get you the best price. Our latest blog post, the 7 tips to maximize your home sales price, might be helpful to you. I'll leave a link in the description below for a downloadable copy for you. My new home buyer's guide and home seller's guide might also be helpful. I'll leave a link in the description below. It'll help you combat today's real estate market. If you have any questions about the market data, or you're thinking about buying or selling this year, leave a comment below. This is Mohini with Grappling Home Realty, serving the Greater Toronto and Brampton area. Don't forget to subscribe to get the latest market data every month.